Hello and welcome, future educators, to our virtual classroom for the Teaching Knowledge Test (TKT) preparation course. I'm excited to guide you through this journey of preparing for the TKT exam. Let's dive into what each module will cover. Module 1 is all about understanding the foundations of language learning and teaching. We'll explore language acquisition theories, such as behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism. Additionally, we'll get into the factors influencing language learning, like motivation, age, and environment. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of the theoretical framework that involves effective language teaching. Moving on to Module 2, we'll focus on practical aspects of teaching, such as lesson planning and resource utilization. You'll learn how to design engaging lesson plans that support different learning styles and language levels. We'll also explore a variety of teaching resources, including textbooks, multimedia tools, and online platforms. By the end of this module, you'll be equipped with the skills to create dynamic and effective language lessons. Module 3 centers around managing the teaching and learning process. We'll discuss strategies for classroom management, including establishing rules and routines, managing transitions, and promoting a positive learning environment. Additionally, we'll explore techniques for promoting student engagement and participation, as well as managing group dynamics. By the end of this module, you'll feel confident in your ability to create an interactive and effective learning environment for your students. Extra resources. In this module, you will find videos, gaming activities, to review the vocabulary and some content from the different units in each module. With this additional module, students can explore supplementary resources to enhance their language teaching skills and incorporate authentic materials into their lessons.